Caribbean TV, big up on yourself. Seeing the Caribbean gives the real flavor to the whole world. Without Caribbean people, the world will be bland. Seeing bless.
I saw come on. No, I get to think the lower than that. You see, out of the awards I'm making tonight, this is one of the realest awards. Just Google acting and perform. These are you with energy. Have some artists, they collect big money and come on stage so and come up on stage so. Yes, I may appreciate my fans and so. Me's a man jump up, go with the back and so and entertain my fans. You understand? So we give thanks to this linkage. Big up yourself, Selassie. Bless.
What's up, Chicago? I'm here with I-Octane, but I don't need to introduce him because all I want to know who he is. But may I watch you know because you're up on my Facebook page.
Yeah.
And Mr. Yeah, travel all over. So how you make time to come from where? Where were you yesterday? Somewhere in the Bahamas?
No, I went there again. No, I'm in America. Yeah.
No, so you go right to New York yesterday, man.
I have a college show in Manhattan yesterday, which is BMCC. But before that, I'm traveling from Canada.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. So everybody knows you. So just take the mic.
You know, say right for sure. I was in Canada.
Canada,
I know. Barbados.
Exactly. Yeah, man, me follow you.
Part of the Asian then. Yes.
All right. So everybody knows you. So just tell us a little. About your new CD, your new single, and what you got going on, and what we have to look out for.
Well, the new CD is My Journey. 16 tracks. It's a reggae album. So check it out. You know what I mean? Spiritual vibration, social commentary, lovers rock, everything is on it. Trust me. A little tupsa dancehall same way, but it's a reggae album.
Alright, so give me a little tupsa that dancehall in a man.
Go on, I have a song. We explain the album, describe the album. We have song on it, me and Kimani Mali, Alien, Alien, we have Gentleman on it, you understand? So look out for those three collaboration. Plus, we have Man suffer too long. Yes, man suffer too long. If you know the ghetto too long. That's one of the tracks that we have. Million miles to myself. Million miles to myself. I fall from the bloody city, bloody ball. I fall from the bloody street, bloody town. A place to bring a child when you can't find me. Spiritual awakening, place of love. There's not taught you to never give up after every dark cloud. There's a shining sun. I know restoration is good for the soul. Firmly rooted, fully consoled. After the city and the light combined, there's a place I have to find. A million miles to myself. Million miles to myself. And far from the bloody city, bloody sun. A place to call my own. Boom!